Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I guess technically I should say Happy New Year 2025. Woo. I really couldn't care less about New Year's, to be honest. Yeah, I'm doing dinner tonight. Honestly, it's actually Christmas Eve right now. I got plans tomorrow with family, but today I haven't even left the house yet. I've just been kicking around, not really doing much. So I'm making dinner, decided to end the year. Or I guess I'll start the year technically. Well, I'm ending the year. So the video's gonna come up on New Year's. I guess I'm starting the new year off with a bacon burger on sourdough bread. Because I like sourdough bread. I think it's a little bit more versatile than hamburger buns. Plus I can do a grilled cheese with it. I can always make a breakfast sandwich with it. I can mix up some tuna fish and do either a tuna melt or just a tuna fish sandwich on toast. More options than buns. So let's get to work. I'm actually making French fries again because I haven't stopped thinking about it since my holiday meal. So I'm actually getting the oil ready for the first fry, which I may show you. But if you've seen my Christmas dinner, you already saw it. I might touch on it, but definitely doing French fries because they were just phenomenal. And I got a few more than last time too, so I'm happy about it. So let's get to it. All right, just frying up the first batch. Alright, just pulling the second batch. Kill the heat. So the idea is you let this, you fry them, then you let them cool down, and you do one more cook. Cast iron on. Yes, I know I used a non-stick pan for my bacon, but I'm just going to make a blasphemous statement and say that cast iron, it's just better for making bacon. Or a non-stick pan is better for bacon than... Sorry about the timer, the smoke point. This burner seems to run a little warmer than the other side, which I'm more used to. So, because I've got my frying vessel set up over here. Let me get my meat going. Sorry about the timer, the smoke point. This burner seems to run a little warmer than the other side, which I'm more used to. So, because I've got my frying vessel set up over here. Let me get my meat going too. tucked back here, I've got a cast iron skillet. My ground beef. Got a little salt. Little garlic powder. Alright. And my mushrooms. Decided to do it this way, or try it this way, instead of doing it, chop them all small like I normally would. And slice them. I'm gonna put my bread right in here too, so it'll all cook together. Right. Threw a big knob of butter in here. Butter's in there. I'm gonna drop in my sourdough bread, and I've got cheddar cheese. And then the bacon. Never said this was healthy. But then yesterday for dinner I had a cup of noodles, so. Alright. Go ahead and get my French fries going. Put them all in there. Where'd it go? Oh, got a little draining rack here. So, fries are going, draining rack's going. Flip over that burger. Nice. Mushrooms already done enough. Make sure I don't burn my bread, because that would be awful. Alright, to quickly pull the bread because it was getting a little dark on the underside. Can't have it burning. Those fries are, oh yeah, they're looking good. Come on, let that one go. Don't want to waste anything. Kill the heat. Come on. camera on a tripod leg. I want to season these this time. Didn't do it last time, but right out of the fryer, a little salt on them. I think my burger patty's done, so got my bread here. Just gonna turn you. Oh, I shouldn't see that. There's my burger patty. Hip. Ow, ow, ow. Try to let some of the there we go. Okay. Alright, just want to cut this. There we go. Didn't get too dark on the bread. Perfect. These are probably not super hot, but I mean they're hot, but they're not like burn my fingers. All right, there you go. So I got bacon mushroom cheddar burger, cheddar melt on grilled sourdough with homemade steak fries. Okay, so I'm gonna admit it. I did the same side 2 weeks in a row, but the last time I did them, they were so good. I just really couldn't stop thinking about it. Oh. And they are phenomenal. Again. They're not even greasy either. That's the best part. It is so good. I have a moment. I just realized that beginning, this being the first of the month, it's supposed to be January's challenge is breakfast. And I just realized, but you know what? I'll do breakfast next week. Let's try that. Yeah, that's a monstrous sandwich melt. Mmm. Oh man. It's a big meal, but honestly, the last time I ate was breakfast was like 7 hours ago, so yeah, I'm pretty hungry. Mmm. Ah. Daggum good. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope for some better things in the new year. And, you know, more tasty foods. So, don't forget to check the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday will be in the end screen, plus the it'll be linked down below in last week's video, which will be my Christmas dinner video. Have a good one. Catch you in the next one.